In the beginning, light was our garment. But when we fell, our clothing became a cover-up for our shame. Christ is the final garment. He covers it all.
Our true net worth in Jesus is eternal life, and no one can take that away. We are more valuable to God than we can ever imagine.